If you're seeing an Evernote configuration file error after uninstalling, don't worry. This is usually caused by leftover files or folders that didn't get removed the first time. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to fix it on Windows, step by step, so you can get Evernote working again without wasting time on random trial and error. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. First, let's make sure Evernote is fully closed. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Then look through the list of running apps and the background processes for anything related to Evernote. If you find it, select it and end the task so nothing is still running in the background. This step matters because Windows can keep files locked if the app is still active. Now that Evernote is closed, we're going to remove the leftover folders that often cause the configuration file error. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. In the box, type %AppData% and press Enter. This opens the Roaming AppData folder for your user account. Inside that folder, look for any folder named Evernote. If you see it, delete it. This folder can store old settings and configuration data, and if it's corrupted, it can trigger errors even after uninstalling. Next, we'll check the LocalAppData folder too. Again, press Windows key plus R, type %LocalAppData% and press Enter. This time, you'll be taken to the LocalAppData directory. Look for an Evernote folder here as well, and delete it if it exists. These two folders are the most common leftovers that keep Evernote's old configuration files on your system. Once both folders are removed, restart your computer. Restarting is important because it clears temporary system memory and makes sure Windows fully releases any cached files or background references tied to the old installation. After the restart, download a fresh copy of Evernote from the official Evernote download page. It's always best to use the latest installer from the official source so you know you're getting a clean, updated version of the app. Then run the installer and complete the setup like normal. After installation, sign back into your Evernote account and check whether the error is gone. In most cases, deleting the leftover AppData folders and reinstalling fixes the configuration file problem completely. If the issue was caused by a damaged leftover file, this clean reinstall usually resolves it right away. If you still run into problems, double check that Evernote is not running in Task Manager and make sure both the roaming and local folders were deleted before reinstalling. Sometimes one leftover folder is enough to keep the error coming back. So to recap, the fix is simple. Close Evernote, delete the leftover Evernote folders from AppData and LocalAppData, restart your PC, reinstall Evernote from the official download page, and log back in. That's the safest and most effective way to fix the Evernote configuration file error after uninstall. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.